Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm super excited to be with an amazing pregnant and hot partner company today. Today I'm with Iqra and Greg, who are osteopaths with the Osteopathic Centre. So what type of conditions do you typically see during the gestational pregnancy period?
So there's many. So some of the common things that we see is probably pelvic girdle pain. That's probably one of the big factors. This problem is something called piriformis syndrome, and that is basically a fancy way of saying there's a muscle in the glute. It's called the piriformis. The sciatic nerve is like a rope. It goes anywhere from the lower back all the way down the foot.
One of the things that I see with a lot of pregnant women is that they're concerned about swelling, be that in their lower extremities or other parts of their bodies. Is that something that you help with or see a lot?
Yeah, yes. I mean, during pregnancy, it is super common to have swelling. Obviously, it's important to note that when it comes to swelling, a sudden onset swelling, hands, feet, face, and the high blood pressure must be checked straight away because that could be a medical issue. So definitely go to your OBGYN for those. But aside from that, yes, swelling in the ankle, swelling in the hands. And the way we approach this, it's actually a really nice rhythmic technique that we do. It's called lymphatic drainage. And essentially what we're trying to do is all that excess fluid, we're trying to get it from distally, so feet, for example, through effleurage, trying to move the fluid to up the upper lymph nodes so it drains. So it's a very rhythmic, non-painful technique that we do, and we incorporate that with a little bit of muscle contracting, like calf pump, almost like mimicking a compression sock, if that makes sense, going back and forth, at the same time trying to drain fluid. Commonly, we work from ankle to hip and then wrist to kind of near the axilla, the armpit area. It is really effective. It's really effective. A lot of times women come in and they're like, I couldn't put my shoes on this morning. And now I'm like, wow, this is amazing. And again, teaching this to mother and teaching this to partner to help them do the same thing at home, super helpful. Giving advice on calf pump exercises and laying with feet above knee, knee above hip, also really helpful. So the technique that we use is rhythmic, it's non-painful, it feels good at the end, and a lot less swelling after.
So with the talking about the swelling in pregnancy, is it also something that you help out with in the postpartum phase? Because I see that a lot with clients.
Yeah, absolutely. As you know, postpartum swelling is very common, especially if women have had a C-section. We do the same techniques, but also postpartum swelling can develop into many other conditions. Carpal tunnel syndrome, TENOSYNOVITIS, which is the thumb.
Headache. How soon after having a baby can people come in and see you if this is something that's still ongoing?
So a lot of the times it depends on their delivery. Okay, so if they had a natural birth, they can come within a few days, literally, as long as they're up for coming. If it's C-section, again, we're careful around certain areas. We tend to say between 4 to 6 weeks, depending on how the C-section went, and being really careful between lower back, pelvic area, and pubic and pelvic area. But if they're coming in with something like headaches or neck pain, yeah, and they've had a C-section, and we're very gentle around neck and shoulder, they can come sooner.
So Greg, you are sitting here actually with a very apt site by you, because you are increasingly known on the Pregnant Network for the work that you actually do with babies. Well, thank you so much, guys. I've really enjoyed speaking to you, and I'm really looking forward to not only the Pregnant Hot Network out there learning more, but also reaching a wider audience so that they know you're here in Singapore. You've got multiple locations. I know. Tell me again the locations that you've got.
So right here, right now, in the Arcade CBD, Raffles Place, and then Sigla, and River Valley at Valley Point.
Okay, so 3 locations throughout Singapore, and you've also got the osteo question section on the website. Plus people can reach you in the normal website.
Yeah, any question, guys, just like click on the link and send us a...
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.